Hello, what is up guys? I'm Gordon and welcome to another one of my video. Today is a very exciting day because I'm about to add a spoiler to my car. But first of all, I would like to give a shout out to Kunfo for giving me this glorious idea of adding a spoiler to the car. Not only he suggested me to add a ducktail spoiler, he also suggested me what color to go for. So in conclusion, I'm not just gonna go with any other regular ducktail spoiler that matches the color of the car. Since I have a black roof and most of the trim on my car are black, I'm gonna go with a black duck lip spoiler. The car looks really nice from behind somehow, but once you go into a certain angle, especially if you go straight dead center of the car, it looks like the boot is dented. And it was done purposely because for the sake of aerodynamics, which looks like some sort of a built-in spoiler. Yeah, it looks good in certain angle, but most of the time it looks like the whole boot is dented. And the only things that can seems to fix it and make it flush is to add a ducktail spoiler. And since we are adding a ducktail spoiler, why not let's go full balls to the walls and color it black. And of course, enough with the talking, we are about to get going and fix some spoiler on the car. So we finally arrive at our destination, which is ACM Motorsport. This is the holy ground where most fellow Malaysians will get their custom body kit done. Same goes to my spoiler. So enough with the talking, let us go get our spoiler. And now ladies and gentlemen, this my friend is my black ducktail spoiler. So let us get stuff installing over here. So just some basic knowledge. Before we are going to install our ducktail spoiler, we need to prep the spot. So in order to prep the spot, we are going to need a isopropyl alcohol swab and a microfiber towel. That spoiler is looking good, but first of all we need to do some basic measurement here and there. In order to get like the best measurement, we are going to, of course, using some painter's tape to tape where the positioning is. Well, after installing the 3M tape on the spoiler, it is time to get the spoiler installed. First of all, we need to peel off some of the double-sided tape, just a little bit, just like so we can actually slowly pull off the double-sided tape when it is on the car for real, for sure. Give it a little press just to ensure maximum adhesion. Maybe a 20-second press would be good. And of course, we're gonna take off our painter's tape marker and we are gonna slowly remove the red side of the 3M tape. Same goes to the bottom part. I'm gonna give it a little press just to ensure that it is on there for real. We definitely do not want our spoiler to fly off in the freeway. And there we go. Beautifully done. So after the installation, we're definitely going to wipe off those nasty fingerprints. So this gloss black actually matches with the roof. So it is time for some cinematic shots. So yup, that is all for today guys. I'm really satisfied with the results. No more looking like a dented trunk. So yup, like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below if you have any question to ask, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios guys and have a nice beautiful day.